You want to make your first ever video on YouTube, and you want to make it as good as humanly possible. Well, I can't promise you that your video will be that great, but I can give you 5 compact and easy to implement rules/steps to make your first video better. So, here we go. This one is very self-explanatory. It could be any idea that comes to mind really. This is where you should look for something that inspires you, rather than something what is acceptable or generally desirable. Like just something you think you can make a good and entertaining video about. I know this is kinda cheating because this is not my first video on this channel, but it is the first one I made with care and the first one I gave into my inner feel of what the video should look like, so I think it still counts. So as you can see, following my own guidelines, I choose the topic of my first video be on how to make your first video. Smart, eh? Anyone? Anyone? The second thing to do is to make a sketch or a script or plan, anything you want that can best help you organize your time, your script, how long will what be happening on the screen. It is not necessary to be too strict or to complicate things with this, especially if we are speaking of something like a vlog or any live speak. So, not a necessary step at all, but highly recommended. For example, while making this video, this is how I made my script. Pardon my bad writing and spelling. Here is one footage of my complete script after I finished it. Cool, right? Okay, moving on. This one is also not that hard to implement, and same as the previous rule, you don't have to follow it strictly, unless if you're a perfectionist and you want every scene and every detail to be perfect and identical to the way you pictured it, in which case, well done. If you stay put, your YouTube success is almost the guarantee. As you can see, I follow them loosely. Preparing my microphone and eating this tasty snack. Delicious. Editing can really sometimes make or break YouTube experience, and especially in first 20 seconds of your video, but also much so later via visualizations, music effects, animations, engaging pictures and in general, but also in organizations of anything on the screen. It is in a sense a backbone of any YouTube video, especially if it is not a vlog or any live talk where audience can see your face. But of course, in the beginning of your YouTube career, you wouldn't do anything too special or crazy to improve your videos with editing, most likely. That's why the rule says edit with care, not edit perfectly, because that way it can be improved and appreciated. And the last rule, it really is not rule 5, but underlying rule of all rules, not just on YouTube, but rather in life really. Don't worry, just do it. As simple as that. This video I just made isn't particularly special or ingenious, and chances are so will be yours. And that is okay. It is just a part of process of becoming creator of any form. So go ahead, give it your best and start creating now. I hope this video motivated you to make your first YouTube video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, and if you would like to see more videos such as this one, subscribe to the channel. Also, I left you little something in the comments. Shh, it is an unofficial yet very important extra rule. And while you are there reading it, please let me know if you have any suggestions. ideas and opinions about my work. I'm dying to hear them. Until next time, stay cool. Bye. Bye bye.